Hey everyone, just making some more downspouts. Got the little giveaway, so I'm gonna make those. Got orders to fill, but somebody made a comment to me. I've been making these a certain way. I would cut them on the circular saw. You use a hacksaw if you don't want to use a power tool, and then I would heat and bend the ends, and then I'd go through and cut all the circles out, cut your holes. And somebody said, hey, you nitwit, why don't you cut your holes first and then, see all that trash in there? He said you can rinse that out. Then when you heat and bend the ends, all that trash isn't stuck in there. You're trying to wash it out, it just washes right out. And I was like, well, great, I made about 100 of these already. Would have been helpful earlier. But yeah, so if you see my video, you see me cut them and then bend the ends and then drill the holes. It might be a little easier if after you cut it to go ahead and drill your holes out, which would be the next step. And then you can take it, wash it, rinse all that residue out, and then bend the ends, and it's nice and clean. So I'm gonna do that. But so there's videos on how to do this. Just reverse those 2 steps. Be a little easier. You don't have to, but you know, it saves you a step. Some of you guys out there still want to do this and you don't have a circular saw, which I say you can use a regular hacksaw. You're not going to get a perfect cut, but it still cuts. It's, you know, you're just having it at home. It's no big deal. But some of you don't have a drill, a hole saw. I use a 1 7/8 so that if I decide to use a 2-inch net cup, the lip still fits on there, doesn't fall in. But you can use whatever size fits your pool noodle, which is another thing. You guys might not want to go running around looking for pool noodles everywhere. You might not have a heat gun to do this, and you can need gloves if you use a heat gun. You don't want to burn your hands. So some of you don't have all of that. These are relatively simple to make if you just have these few simple tools. But if you don't want to do that, I'm giving away some of them. I do have them for sale during the summer. Summer's almost over. We're going to get back into the fall planning. But if you want to win, I'm giving away two packs. So you get 2 of these, you get the pool noodles, and you get the nutrients. I'm giving that away, as well as 60 net cups and one of the grow boxes that my wife painted up. It's real cool. Where did I have the link? Go back to my last live stream where it says giveaway, and down in the description there's a link to the giveaway. You just go on over there, and it says, did you go to Pusa Studios? I was doing it on the day Pusa Studios was having a big get-together for creators. But it just says to answer the question, did you go to Pusa Studios? You don't have to just yes or no. You can type a 1. You can type anything. Anything you type in there is going to let you go ahead and enter the contest. So go ahead and check that out. Like I said, if you want to win too. If not, I'll link up the other video that shows how to make this, and then you can make your own. Alright. Got more videos coming on the way. I got that one Q&A. You guys helped me in the last live stream. The live stream before the last, kind of pick out some questions. I'm working on a Q&A for that. Hopefully, we're going to get through the summer with all this heat. Got some more stuff growing out there. But we're getting ready to plan out some more microgreens to get ready for the fall. I know it's a little early, but what happens is we eat some of those microgreens and just keep them going in succession. That way we keep eating, and then once fall starts to get here, we already got them growing, got them ready to go. So lots more to come. You guys get out there, live to inspire, keep on growing, be the change. Alright, don't forget, live to inspire, keep on growing. I love y'all. Peace.